Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Gospel dancehall artist Chosen copped the awards for Male Artist of the Year and Local Hit of the Year with his song Jesus Rock, making him a top winner at the 2022 Sterling Gospel Awards Diamond celebration held last Saturday at the Ambassadors. Female Artist of the Year was awarded to Petra K. Linton, who last year walked away with the award for Breakout Artist of the Year. Now, some of the other winners for the night included Prince Saj, who won Breakout Sensation for this year. DJ Nicholas's Abnormal Decibels was awarded Album of the Year, and Blair Black, who received 2 awards, being the most rated radio program for Gospel Light and Gospel Personality of the Year. The Sterling Gospel Awards show returned for its 6th staging, which went above and beyond, exceeding all the expectations on Saturday from beginning to end. There were some great performances which had the guests on their feet worshiping and having a great time, some of whom were from Barbara Whittle, Lubert Levy, Gavin Downswell, and Levy's Heritage, just to name a dancehall artist. Flipper Mafia, whose birth name is Andrew Davis, has been released early on parole just in time to celebrate his 44th birthday come October 31. He served a little under half of the total 25 years of the prison sentence he received on drug charges in 2016. Davis was convicted of first-degree distribution of cocaine, second-degree money laundering, and second-degree conspiracy. According to authorities, he led a narcotics trafficking network, but a jury found him not guilty on that charge. The New Jersey State Department of Corrections confirmed that Flipper was released on October 4.
The girl them say magala, 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 magala. Vice Miller Flipper them a magala, 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 magala. The whole Jamaica them a do the magala, magala, magala.
Now, on the international scene, controversial rapper Kanye West's Twitter and Instagram accounts have been locked because of anti-Semitic posts by the rapper, now known legally as Ye. The star had his Instagram account suspended over the weekend after accusing rapper Diddy of being controlled by Jewish people. The message played into a long-standing anti-Semitic conspiracy theory. West responded to his suspension by rejoining Twitter with more anti-Semitic quotes, earning him a second disbarment. Both the platforms removed West's post and said that the star had violated policies on hate speech. The incident comes after Kanye drew criticism from wearing a White Lives Matter t-shirt during Paris Fashion Week. What are we going to do with Kanye? Now that's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.